What changes have you seen in the village of Garma?
Well, changes, quite a lot. All for good though, because we have been having lots of help from many people outside Nepal. The first change I've seen is that the Garma school has grown up from being a tiny little shed to a huge school which caters now for over 200 children. The children doesn't have to walk as far as 2 hours like I had to do. They can travel, but still there are children who have to travel to our village because that's our nearest school. We have now got a football ground near there, the volleyball ground, so the children do enjoy their football and volleyball, and there's a toilet facility now, and of course there's a shower facilities as well as the computer in the school. So we've seen a lot of difference, changes in school, and most importantly, although the changes are there, the children are still as keen to come to school as they were in my time.